This month we're working on the hollow arch, facing down. So we're prone and then supine facing up. In the prone version, you could start out with just, a 4-point position like in the warm-up. I'm doing a full minute of that, breathing in and breathing out. You can make that harder by coming up onto the toes. Really trying to control it through the spine. Make that harder again by bringing the hands out to the front. You're aiming for 6 smooth reps in the minute. Then you go on the other side, easier version like this, tucking the butt under, and then arching. Breathing in, breathing out, feeling it peel off the ground as you go into the arch. As I come up, it's peeling off, and as I go into the hollow, it's taping down. You can make that harder with a longer lever. This one's much harder to control. Then the face down, you can bring the arms up, have the legs straight. So you want to get 6 reps in the minute for each side, 3 sets, 6 minutes, get it done.